In order to check warranty on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, we can go to Settings. Next, in the settings, scroll down and go to About Phone. And we need to choose Status Information. Over here, go to IMEI Information, and now you want to press and hold your finger on the first IMEI number that you have in this menu in order to copy the IMEI number to the clipboard. Then you want to open a browser, and you can search IMEI check in Google, and you can choose one of the websites on which you can check the warranty. So for example, I'm gonna choose this browser over here. Now let's scroll down. Here we can enter or actually paste our IMEI number and then press check. Oh, first we need to solve the captcha. There we go. And let's see. So we might need to scroll down, or maybe not yet. Let's press check again in that case. And soon we should see the results. And once it is refreshed, you might be able to find the information about the warranty if you scroll down a little bit. In my case, unfortunately, there is no information about the warranty. You can also give it a try and check another IMEI website. There is also this website, imeicheck.com, so we can check this website if we can get an information about the warranty. And there we go. And in this case, we can see the warranty status actually, so it works. We have warranty active. We can also find the end date and so on. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.